I think so. We have seen at last lecture about this Java bytecode and how it converts, right? पर्यंत बघितलं होतं आपण. And I think so. We have created the package, right? We'll open the Eclipse IDE. So we have created. Okay, so how to create, once again, I will tell you how to create an project in Njava and how to create an package in Njava. So for creating the package and project in Njava, you have to click to the file. New option has been there. You can use the shortcut known as, see, you can see this Alt Shift plus new. Just I'm clicking Alt Shift plus N. Okay, new. When we'll click to the new project, this window will come. So here you will give the name of your project, whatever you want to give. Let's say we'll give core Java name to this project. Okay. So if I'm pressing here this core Java, you will be see here different options. Java Standard Edition 17 we have been using, and we didn't want to create a module over here, and just I'm finishing off. How could you know that our project has been successful? So that you're able to see that Java libraries over here, which are been required to run the files. Okay, guys, this is how we created the Java project. Now, if you want to create the Java package, simple, the same option, right click to your project, click to new, then it will come towards down. So the package is an option over there. So when, see, this is your source folder is nothing but it is a name of Java. And now I'm giving the package name, let's say basics, giving the name. So what it says, see, when I'm trying to, you can give the name, see, at upper side, discourage package name by convention. Package name usually starts with lowercase letter. Package name generally starts with lowercase letter, and project name generally starts with uppercase letter. So when I'm trying to type it with the capital letter, it is showing me that thing. Okay, it's not the thing that it will not take. Let's say Java basics, BASIC, basic of Java. So when I'm finishing off, okay, it will take, no problem, it will take, but it will show and warning over there. So we'll delete this. Okay. And again, see, I'm right clicking it, clicking to the new option over here, then clicking to the package. And now I will write in and small, it will show, it will not show me an warning, basic of. So see, it is not showing me a warning, but if I'm trying to make it capital, it will show me a warning, right? So just be basics of Java, and I'm finishing off. So your package, your project has been completed, your package has been completed. Okay. And now, if you want to create a program, you to test if your all the things are been right or not, just right click to that package. Again, the same process, click towards new. Okay, and click towards class. Okay. While clicking to this, the simple one, what we have been done, hello, world. Why hello world? As you are and I told you that as you have been learning the programming, you're saying that why hello world program we have been writing, that we are saying hello to the world. Okay. So we are clicking to the public static void main, and I'm finishing right now. We're getting finished. See, you can remove this or you can keep it. No problem regarding that. So yes, why yes. Okay. Is an output statement you knows system.out.println. So control plus space. Okay. When you have been when you have been pressing the shortcut key, which shortcut key, guys? Remember the shortcut key. Clear the canvas. Confirm over here. Control key on keyboard plus space key. So that you will see the different options. Okay, you will see the different options on IDE or in program, right? So I'm closing it now. And let's say SYS. Oh, I'm typing and I'm typing control plus space. It will directly automatically take system.out.println. And into that I'm printing, let's say, hello world. So this is my first program. That's why I'm writing here hello world. Okay. So just okay. So see, you can see this is your class name over here. Class name. Your class name. Hello world is your class name. Then this is what opening bracket of your class. Thereafter your main program. We can say main statement. Thereafter, this is your output statement. And what is this? Nothing but opening bracket of main program. This is closing curly bracket of main statement, you can say, so that you will not get confused. And at last, you're closing bracket of your class. Okay. So this is the first program, right? Clear till now? Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anybody is having doubt? Doubt आहे कोणाला काही? Anybody's having doubt, right? No, I think so. Now let's say, let's see the another thing or next part in detail, why we are using these things, guys. Okay, so it's very interesting now to learn the next step. Okay, we have seen history. So who will tell me just what was the before name of Java?
It's oak.
Oak, right? And we have gone through the features and all that things, right? So we'll be going a bit detail from the starting. What is object? Okay, and there will be one assignment for you. Just you need to give me the difference between C++ and C++ and Java, so that we could uh, get what was the difference. So I will just explain you about this statement. So we'll go towards that. So what I will do, I will use a snipping tool over here. New one. And okay. So we'll see what is class. First one. This is class, right? So class means what? Hmm? Class is an this is an keyword. Okay, what is this? This is an keyword. Okay, which is used to declare. Okay, this is an keyword which is used to declare class in Java. Got it? So class is what? This is what? This is an
Keyword.
keyword which is used to declare class in Java, right? So after that, this public. Okay. So how the hierarchy goes? First one, project. What we have given the name of project? Core Java, right? First we created project, right? First we created project. After creating project, we have second thing what we have been done, we have created package. What was the name of our package? Basics of Java. Right. Package name what? Basic of Java. Okay. And this is what the name of your program. Okay. Now we have seen what is class. Class is nothing but it is an keyword which is used to declare class in Java. Clear till now, everybody? इथपर्यंत कोणाला till now you guys are having any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. So next to that is what your public. So we'll see what is public. So this is called as access modifier. Access modifier. Okay, there are three types of access modifier. We will see that in detail. So, which are the three types of access modifier? Public. Second one, protected. Third one, private. So this is an access modifier. It represents visibility. What is the what is the use of this? Use of this is to represent visibility. To represent visibility. Okay, is the use of this. That means public means what? It is visible to all. Public means what? It is visible to all. And this we will be going to see next means is this visible to all or it has been restricted. We'll see this in the next lectures. So prior to this, now public, what is public? It is an access modifier. It represents visibility. Now public means what? It's accessible to all. Clear all of you? It has been accessible to all. Now coming back towards this and this public has been same. Now the static. Okay. Now static. What is the use of static? Okay. So we'll go towards this. We'll see static. We are writing, I'll write over here. Public static void main. Okay. So static. What does static? This is also an keyword. This is also an what? What is this? This is an keyword. Okay. If we declare any method as static, what if we declare any method? Now, what does mean by method? This will be an question in your mind. Okay. So for just time being, just remember one thing. If you see this opening and closing of this opening and this closing curly bracket in front of any word or statement, that is a method. Right now, let's say display, I'm writing in this way. This is a method. Okay. So just try to understand this called as a method. So we'll be going detail after this also with the method also, but try to understand when we write anything and in front of that, if you see this open and close round parenthesis brackets, so that has been considered as a method. Here. Okay. Now next point. So static is what? It is an keyword. Okay. If we declare method as an static, if we declare method as an static, it is known as static method. Means if we write anything, this keyword static display, so this method becomes static. If you write anything in front of that method, it is called as what? Static method. Now in this case, in our case, main method is been there. Main is what? This is your method. Main method has been written, and how that method is? Main method is main method is static method. Clear? Now, coming back towards our point, what is the use of static method? So the main advantage of static method is that there is no need, what? There is no need to create an object. There is no need to create an object to call or invoke method. Okay, means if we write static, the advantage of static method is what? There is no need, sorry, I missed out no need to create an object called that particular method. Okay, so directly it will execute it by JVM. JVM means what? Java Virtual Machine. You can see over here. So this is a method, main method, which is a static one. So in this case, no need to create an object. Does we created any object over here? So no. So no need to create an object. Okay. So it doesn't require in creating an object for main also. And what does it use? It saves memory. It saves. What is the benefit again? It saves memory. Once again, we'll see what is static. The public static void main. Static is an again keyword. It is an keyword, right? If we write any method as a static method, there is no need to create an object. Okay, invoker call that method. So JVM, that is what that method has been directly executed by JVM means what? Java Virtual Machine. Okay, and the second point is what? It saves the memory. Clear about static, everyone? Once again, I will repeat. If we are using static keyword, okay, over here, this is a keyword. Firstly, this is a keyword. Static is a keyword. When we are using this keyword that in front of any method, that method is been considered as a static. If we use the static method, there is no need to create an object. There is no need to create an object of that particular method. JVM will directly call, okay, what? JVM will directly call or execute that method. That's why that has been written. Clear, everybody? Void means what? It is a return type. Void is what? Void is return type. Okay. Void is what, guys? Let me clear this canvas. Void. Okay. Is an return type. Okay. Void is the return type of method. Here you can see it is a return type of method. Okay, this is a return type. It means it doesn't return any value. Okay, means what? It doesn't return it doesn't return any value. Hmm? Clear? After that, main. Okay, you can see the main. So generally, it is a starting point of program. Generally, it has been considered as a starting point of program. After that, main. We have known about this public static void is written type. We have got it. What is public? What is static? What is void? What is main? Okay, so main is been also considered as an starting point of program. Now, so thereafter, what in bracket there is a point string args, right? Something like that. This point is okay. Okay, so we'll put a bit side for a while. What is string args? This we write in and bracket means coming back towards this point. I'm speaking about this point string args, string args. Okay, so just put it at side, and after that is what here system dot out dot println. So what is this? This is nothing but used to print the statement. There is an output statement. Okay. N this print what it shows ln. This I will write as system dot out dot print ln. Ln means what? What is ln?
Next line.
This is nothing but next line. Represent next line. Okay. So this is your what? Which type of statement this is?
Print statement.
Print statement. This is an print statement. You can also say that out is an output statement. Clear, everybody? You can say first one, this is an print statement. Or you can say it as an output statement. So next to that, and yeah, so I have not explained one thing, that is what string args, right? String args. What is this? Okay. Why we write string args? What is used? Can anybody tell me? So see, here there is a sign known as this. Let me clear this and so that there will be no confusion, because this is very important. Anyone can ask you in interview, what is the use of this? Okay, right. So sorry for interruption. String AR, yes. Okay. So this is array. Okay. This is an array of parameter string. What is this? This is an array of parameter string. Okay. So string is a single parameter. Okay. String is a single parameter. Okay. And it provides more readability. It provides more readability. Okay. We'll go a bit detail in this public static void main once again. Public static void main in bracket string args, very important. Okay. So what happens when you see this line in your code? So anybody can explain, anybody can tell you to just explain what is this. So when this point comes, just tell them array of string type. This is what? Array of string type for time being. Okay. Array of now. So again, I will come towards the point. Access modifiers. So there are three different types of access modifiers. I have already told you public, private, and protected. So what is the use of public? Public means what? Accessible to all. What is static? Static is an keyword. Means if we write static in front of anyone, so that method is been considered as an static. So no need to write create an object. If we write static, JVM will invoke without creating an object, means it will directly call to the main method. Where that is the use of static. And void, I have told you that it is a return type. Okay, that means it means this is a return type. It returns it does not returns anything. Okay, all right. Or JVM can't do anything without returning value of it. We consider what is JVM. I'm uttering the word JVM always. JVM is what? Java Virtual. आवाज येतोय? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Due to network condition, we get disrupted. Okay. So coming back towards our point, main is what? Method. Okay, or you can see it as a starting point of a program. String args, it stores. Now see, what is this? Again, this is what? Command line argument. This is what? Command line argument, and is array type. Okay, and it is of array type, guys. Okay, so it is not fixed. Okay, array size. Okay, or array, or means what we can say, user can use any name in place of this also, no problem. But it is simply, we can say that it is a command line argument, and this is an array of parameter string, and it provides what, if someone asks you what is the use of the, then what is the use of this, why you guys are writing this? Okay, so just tell them that to give more readability of about an program, it is a command line argument. Okay, clear? There is a name of your string array is args. Okay, that's it about this program. ह्याच्यामधला कोणता part in this program, which part you didn't understand up to now? Let me.
तर स्टॅटिक सांगा ना.
Static ka? Okay. I will come towards the static again. To see static. Okay. So the use of static is that when we write static, okay, static is an keyword. What is this? This is an keyword. क्या है static? It is an keyword. Okay. When we write static in front of any method, now which is a method over here? Method, which is a method over here? Yes, Priyanka. Which is a method over here?
String method.
Which method? Method. What is the name of method? Just tell me what is the name of method. Main is a
Main.
name of method,
Main.
right? This is just an argument which we have passed, string args. Then we can write in both the ways. We can write before this, or we can write this after, no problem. It will one and same. Okay. If we write something in front of method, so this is a keyword. So that method has been considered as a static method. So what are the properties of static method? We didn't have to create an object. Okay. Okay, so we are not created any object over here. So as we go further, I will there will be an thing to create the objects and why we are creating the objects. So simply I will tell that we are creating the object to access the values. We are creating the object for what purpose? We are creating the object for
Access
what
the value.
purpose? For accessing the values, right? So keep this in mind. So when you are using static, okay, it is a keyword. And when we write this in front of any method, so that method becomes static method. So here also there is a static and main is a method. So this method has been considered as an static method. So what is the use of this, guys? The thing is that when we write anything in front of method, here we have written not anything. Here we have written static, so it has been considered as a static method. So what JVM will do? That is Java Virtual Machine. So main method is static. JVM can invoke, okay, means it can call. The reason is that no need to create an object. So I will write here JVM can invoke it without instanting instant class. Means what? Means he can call directly by using the class, means the name of class. If you want to call something in a class, for that purpose we have to create an object. So how we create an object, just I will tell you. Hello world, okay, H is an object, okay, then hello new, sorry, hello world. So H is an object created, means in other ways, okay. So if it was not been static, we have to create an object. But in this case, we are having that method as an static. So here no need to create an this object over here. It will directly invoke the class. Got it? Did you understand? Or not again? JVM will directly call the class or whatever the values and whatever the things that have been having over there. Okay, so don't worry, this again will get covered up in upcoming session. Clear? Kanai means
Yes.
did you not been clear? Who has asked this question of static? Priyanka or someone else? I don't know the name.
Urmila, sir.
Urmila, did you clear a general idea? What is this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let me stop the